Hey, good morning, everybody. Good to hear from you on this nice, rainy Thursday morning. I miss you guys still. Hope we get to see each other again soon. I'm going to give you some more homework help. Don't forget to write down everything I write down on your work so that you will get it counted correct. I'm not just giving you the answers, I'm showing you how to solve. Starting with number 6, I think most of you can find this answer in your head. 50% of 88 would just simply mean half of 88. But I do want to show you the proper steps to follow. So you take your 50%, whatever percent you have, goes over 100. And we make a percent proportion. So 50 over 100 equals, the second part of that is of 88, which means 88 is your whole, and you are looking for the part. That's your x. So 50 over 100 equals x over 88. Then, if you remember my little jingle that I taught you, we're going to butterfly, multiply, divide by the lonely guy. So 100 times x equals 100x. 50 times 88 equals 4,400. All right? So, what we do now is we take 4,400 and we divide it by 100. And that is, my friends, 44. So 50% of 88, as hopefully you all already knew, is 44. Circle your answers. It makes it so much easier for your teacher to grade. Show all your work. I'm not just giving you the answers. Number 7, it's an order of operations question using PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtractions. We start with what's in parentheses. Well, there's a whole lot of stuff in parentheses right there, but inside the parentheses is another set of parentheses. So we're going to do that step first. What is 4 plus 3? 7. So now we have 8 times 7 plus 2, still in parentheses, minus 6 plus 12. So I kept all my other numbers that I haven't worked with yet. Now my next step is going to be inside the parentheses still. Multiplication comes before addition. So now my problem looks like this. 12 plus, what is 8 times 7? 56, right? Plus 2 minus 6. I still have parentheses. I haven't gotten rid of them yet because I've done everything inside the parentheses. So my next step will be inside the parentheses, 56 plus 2. 56 plus 2 is 58. So now I have 12 plus 58. I finally got rid of all the stuff inside the parentheses so I can drop them now. Minus 6. Addition and subtraction are done in order from left to right. So I have to do the addition part of this problem first. 12 plus 58, I'll move over here because I'm out of room. 12 plus 58 equals 70. And I still have to subtract 6. And 70 minus 6 equals 64. So make sure you show all the steps and circle your answer on number 7. Number 8, use the distributive property to simplify the expression below. The distributive property says that you can multiply what's outside the parentheses by everything that's inside the parentheses. So my first step will be multiply 7 times 2x, and that is 14x. Nothing magical about that, it just is what it is. My second step will be to multiply 7 times 8, which we already know is 56. That's your answer, folks. 14x plus 56 in the simplest form. That's all you can do with this problem. Number 9. Jared made 4 birdhouses in 3 days. How many days will Jared work to make 20 birdhouses? Big hint, set up a proportion. What 2 things are you comparing? We're comparing bird houses, right, to days. So that's my proportion I'm going to set up. 4 birdhouses in 3 days. An equal sign makes it a proportion. What we want to know is how many days, that would be my x, will it take Jared to make 20 birdhouses? There's your proportion. Butterfly multiply, divide by the lonely guy, right? 3 times 20 is 60. 4 times x is 4x. So now we have the equation to solve. 4x equals 60. If you divide 60 by 4, my friends, you get 15. It will take him 15 days. Circle your answer. Show all your work. And then number 10, solve for n, write the equation. What we have to figure out is what's happening in this table. How do you get from 23 to 16? How do you get from 25 to 18? What is n going to be? How do you get from 32 to 25? It looks like there's some subtraction going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to figure out what subtraction problem is happening. If I subtract 23 minus 16, what is the difference? Let's see. 13 minus 6 is 7. So it looks like it might be subtracting 7. I'm going to double check, though, to make sure. What is 25 minus 18? Oh, 15 minus 8 is all... Oh, okay. So each time we're subtracting 7 from the x. So if I subtract 7 from 28, I'll get n. What is n? 21. 28 minus 7 is 21. And the equation I need to write, always start an equation with y, even though it's backwards from the table. Y equals x minus 7. There's your solution. Show all your work. And hey, what do you call an empty parrot cage? Answer coming in the next video. See you guys later. Hope you're having a good day.